Driving in the desert under the sun. Sandy road is shaking, this is fun.
The little truck is ready. Here we go.
Golden dunes are rising, big and high. Wind is softly blowing through the sky.
Truck keeps rolling, it won't slow down.
Bumpy road is jumping left and right. Wheels are turning, holding really tight. Engine singing loud.
Vroom, vroom.
Oh no! A rock is blocking the way. Little truck says I'll be okay. Careful driving.
Move around.
Hot sun shining, feeling the heat. Tiny truck keeps moving its feet. Forward, forward.
Don't you stop.
Look, a cactus standing tall. Truck says hi to one and all, smiling as it drives along. Suddenly the sand is very deep. Wheels are stuck, they cannot leap. Push and pull. We must get out.
Vroom, vroom, power strong and loud. Little truck makes itself proud.
Out it goes.
It's free again.
Night is coming, stars appear. Desert sky is bright and clear. Truck keeps rolling,
Brave and calm.
moon is shining silver light, guiding truck throughout the night. Soft wind whispers,
Go ahead.
oh wow, an oasis in sight. Palm trees dancing left and right. Truck feels happy, cool and fresh. Water sparkling, shining bright. Truck stops there to rest tonight. Peaceful dream in desert land. Morning comes, a brand new day. Truck is ready, on its way. Desert adventure.
What a